All right, so now we are going to do my lashes and lips. So I have my Bundles CEO of Lashes 5-piece lash set cat eye lash. This is one pair of lashes. They're nice and fluffy. I'm just going to use a black liquid glue. I'm going to apply it generously onto the strip of my strip lash because it's a cheap glue. And I'm going to pop these lashes onto my lash line as soon as the glue gets tacky. Okay, here we go. These lashes are just gorgeous. They look poppin' for when you are going out. They look good every day. They're natural but fluffy and glam. Literally, cat eye lashes complement your eyes so well. They're like my favorite classic go-to lash. Okay, I'm just putting this onto my lash line. Okay, so as you can see, I have on my Bundle CEO of Lashes. They're from a 5-piece lash set. They are $20.23 Canadian. They're available on my website, www.bundleshair.ca/shop-bundles. And yeah, they're an amazing deal. They look beautiful, so definitely shop. Okay, I am going to put on my jacket, grab my purse and everything I need, and I'm gonna head out.